respected members of the press, distinguished guests, respected faculties, parents, and dear students. First of all, we sincerely thank all the respected media personnel present here today for accepting our invitation and joining us. At Erudite Academy's Senior Secondary Campus, we are offering both science and arts stream as per CBSE curriculum, with the objective of providing quality senior secondary education within our own region. Our dream is that students from our region should never feel that quality education and meaningful opportunities are available only outside. We are also encouraged by our CBSE class 10 board result, where 15 students scored above 90%, 5 students scored above 95%, and our topper, Akar Singnar, secured 97.6% in best 5 subjects. This strengthens our confidence to extend the same academic culture to senior secondary science and arts. Keeping in mind the realities faced by many students and parents regarding affordability and accessibility, we are introducing the Scholarship Support Initiative for the academic session 2026-27. Under this initiative, subsidized monthly fee of 800 rupees per month for the first 10 early admissions securing first division, admission fee payment facility in 3 installments within 6 months, and school bus facility at 800 rupees per month, so that distance does not become a constraint for students. We believe that the strength of any institution depends upon the sincerity, dedication, and guidance of its teachers.
So, what inspired the institutions to introduce such an affordable initiative of 800 monthly fees and 800 bus fare?
Today, many institutions support toppers and exceptionally high achievers through scholarships, and that is truly important. However, we also felt that many bright and hardworking students who score around 60 to 70% are often overlooked, especially those from financially struggling families. In many cases, such students do not lack potential or dedication. They simply lack access and opportunity. As an institution rooted in this region, we wanted to support not only the highest scorers, but also sincere and deserving students who are trying to build a better future despite challenges. That thought inspired our initiative of 800 rupees monthly fee support and 800 rupees bus fare assistance, so that financial limitations do not prevent deserving students from accessing quality education.
क्या कम फीस एजुकेशनल क्वालिटी को इफेक्ट करती है?
बिल्कुल नहीं। ये हमारे सीनियर सेकेंडरी कैंपस के ग्रोथ फेज के दौरान स्टूडेंट्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए एक इनिशिएटिव है। क्वालिटी में कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं। हमारा फोकस हमेशा एक्सपीरियंस टीचर्स, डिसिप्लिन पढ़ाई, मेंटोरिंग, रेगुलर टेस्ट और स्टूडेंट्स के परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूवमेंट पर रहेगा।
Kopi kacali ay hin kirap lo charli osomar atum longji.
Regular classes pen anparta lo charli asumar tumapan regular tests, answers writing, doubt clearing, confidence building, lapen career guidance, aja mek hai huya sumar tumapan kibi ponta patuji.
Nangli kacali osomar lapen apia po atum apan kopi akenang sot alam thesi than pachini kangtung.
Nili tu mahawara lo kacharli au sumartum do anta texersar lapen ansa se akang tu yang deng kili dun tu chia jakong dolo. Misena than bang lapen ke misena warsa ke long pen acho alang litum ke thedung kichun long vekji lapen labang so pherang ke chatai pen nangli tu mapan kachun ningri alam theke kacharli au somar lapen apia po tu kacharli ahem tun along bang ikra than bang tu mapan chingki che than kang ikha lapen labang so kacharli ahemalo kopi si akim miasay ang deng ke deng pon son duma langpon ikha lapen chinipon ikha.
I would like to request our respected faculty members and academic team to briefly introduce themselves.
Greetings everyone, I am Berti Terangpi and I will be teaching the English subject. I am looking forward to helping the students develop a strong writing as well as speaking skill. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. Myself, Minmojoti Bora, and I am the Faculty of Physics at the Institute. Here at the Institute, we try to build a strong foundation among the students on the concept and subject of physics and also on the other subjects. And thus, on the behalf of the Institute, I would like to welcome all the students to be a part of this Institute and grow with quality learning and discipline. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ankit Kumar Sharma. I teach chemistry at senior secondary level in Erudite Academy. I am deeply committed towards not only academic excellence of students, but also towards analytical thinking and discipline of students and contributing towards growth and success of students. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. Myself Punesh Kumar Shah, and currently I'm serving as a faculty member at Erudite Academy Senior Secondary School, where I'll be teaching mathematics and I'll be helping students to solve and improve in mathematics. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Madhumita Majumdar. I'm a faculty member at Erudite Academy Senior Secondary School. I'll be teaching biology. Biology is a subject that connects us to the life forms and nature. So I'm here to inspire the young minds and share knowledge academically. Thank you.
Hello and good morning to everyone present here. Myself, Tamhidi Terangpi, I will be handling political science. I'm looking forward to support my students to build their confidence and with their subjects. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Tukai Karmakar, I'm from Diphu. I teach history here at Erudite Senior Secondary School, and I hope to see many new faces in our school by this session to be part of our beautiful journey. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Monita Teronti. I'm a subject teacher of economics at Erudite Academy Senior Secondary School. I will be guiding and teaching economics to the students. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. I am Pankaj Mani Saikia, guest faculty of physical education. I am here to teach physical education. As we all know that physical education helps in building physics, and a good physics leads to a healthy mind. So I request everyone to come and join this institute and have a wonderful learning. Thank you.
My name is Dirbinrong Pipi, and I'm part of the administration team, and I look after the overall discipline and conduct of students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Marilyn Teronti, part of the administration team. I look after office coordination and CCA activities to ensure the smooth functioning of day-to-day operation and student activities.
Greetings everyone. I'm Nokwe Milik, sectional in charge of higher secondary section. I ensure the smooth running of the academic session, including syllabus completion, assessments, and students' progress.